Step into a legacy of academic and medical brilliance at the University of Pécs. Hungary's oldest university and one of the oldest in Europe, with roots dating back to 1367. Stay with us to learn more. Nestled in the charming city of Pécs, this esteemed institution is renowned for its world-class education in medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, and pre-med programs, all taught in English and tailored to meet global medical standards. With over 20,000 students, including a thriving international community of 4,500 learners, the University of Pécs offers a vibrant and inclusive environment. It's a hub for aspiring medical professionals who seek cutting-edge education coupled with rich cultural experiences. Why choose the University of Pécs? The University of Pécs is accredited by the World Health Organization and listed in the World Directory of Medical Schools, ensuring your degree is recognized worldwide, including by the UK General Medical Council. This opens doors to opportunities across the globe, whether you wish to practice medicine, advance your studies, or embark on groundbreaking research. The university's modern clinical center and research labs are equipped with the latest medical technology. From hands-on clerkships to participation in cutting-edge research projects, you'll have everything you need to excel in neuroscience, endocrinology, immunology, and more. Living in Pécs is both affordable and enriching, with monthly costs averaging just €800, including accommodation, food, and leisure. Students can focus on their studies while enjoying the vibrant culture of this historic city. From Roman ruins to Ottoman-era baths, Pécs is a living museum, offering students a unique blend of history and modernity. When it's time to unwind, the university's sports office and TTK Sports Centre offer activities ranging from basketball and football to fencing and martial arts. For casual fitness enthusiasts, there are ample opportunities to stay active and social. The University of Pécs offers pre-medical courses tailored for international students needing to strengthen their language and foundational science skills. The admissions team ensures a smooth transition, providing guidance on entrance exams, visa requirements, and credit transfers. At the University of Pécs, education goes beyond textbooks and lectures. It's about building a foundation for a fulfilling career in healthcare, surrounded by a supportive community in a city that feels like home. Whether you're aiming to study medicine, dentistry, or pharmacy, the University of Pécs is your gateway to an internationally recognized degree and a bright future in healthcare. Take the first step toward your dreams. Inquire now with Medlink Students and join the ranks of global healthcare leaders educated at the University of Pécs.